Clogged sink drains caused by grease and oil are one of the most annoying problems that can totally mess up your kitchen flow. So here's the deal. Never pour grease or cooking oil down your sink, no matter how tempting it is to just toss it there. When grease cools, it hardens and sticks inside your pipes, creating nasty blockages that take forever to fix. Instead, let the grease cool in a container, then throw it away with your trash. You can also wipe pans with a paper towel before rinsing to catch any leftover oil. If you already have some buildup, use a degreaser made for kitchen pipes. These break down the grease without harming your plumbing. Regularly flushing your drain with hot water after washing dishes can help keep things moving smoothly. Avoid using harsh chemical cleaners too often because they can damage your pipes over time. And if you notice slow draining or weird smells, act fast to prevent a total clog. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sink drain clogs from grease and oil is ignoring small slowdowns until the problem gets huge. Fix it by paying attention to how fast your water drains and cleaning early with a degreaser. Another common issue is pouring grease down the drain just this once, thinking it won't matter, but that's usually when problems start, so always dispose of it properly. Lastly, using chemical drain cleaners too much can actually hurt your pipes instead of helping, so stick to safer degreasers and natural methods like hot water and baking soda. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. For contractors, it's a solid way to get steady work by reaching people who need reliable help for home fixes and upgrades.